In today's video, I will show you guys a range of recently released Blender courses that promise to enhance your skills and knowledge. Of course, these courses cover various aspects of Blender, such as environment creation, geometry nodes, creating characters, making game assets, and more. Starting with a training that is all about creating snowy environments, covering the actual snowy exterior as well as a cozy little interior medieval cabin to go along with it. Environment courses in Blender are popular, so you might like this one, especially when you know it is from CG Masterclass, a trusted source on this topic. So first up, in the very first chapter of this course, you will learn how to set up a good foundation for your project, where you will be learning the essential, most important tips to organize the project files and make everything easier to navigate and work with. Then in chapter 2, you will dive into something more serious, which is how to make that beautiful frozen river scene, covering everything from how to blend materials organically to add realistic trees and scattering them for a breathtaking and naturally looking forest. But it's not gonna stop here, because in chapter 3, it's gonna be all about constructing a medieval cabin. From layering the foundation to making it look like a cozy little home by animating realistic snowfall outside. And finally in chapter 4, you get to learn the steps that go behind populating the cabin by designing a luxurious living room. And the thing is, you'll be using exclusive assets and lighting techniques to create a warm, inviting, and cozy atmosphere. So throughout this course, you will have access to 12-hour video lectures, all recorded in 4K resolution, so you can see all the details. In addition, you will get exclusive content like scanned props and 4K video references to enhance your learning experience. The next course is a bit different, because you don't see something like this every day. With this course called Draw by CG Cookie, you will have a great introduction to this tool. The Grease Pencil tool is powerful and it allows you to bring your 2D sketches to life in a 3D environment. And I think this is one of the best introductory courses to the Grease Pencil you can find right now. And if you wanted to learn Grease Pencil before, but you couldn't find an easy way to do so, this course called Draw is probably the best way to start. And the best thing about it is that you don't need any prior knowledge, so we will start with absolute fundamentals from the toolbox, colors, and materials, in addition to brushes, to modifiers, and effects, finishing with animating and putting what you learned into an actual project. Still around the topic of creating environments, but this time around is gonna be more technical, and it is all about equipping you with the right strategies, techniques, and knowledge for generating architectural massings with ease. And throughout this course, you will get a better idea of the workflow required to make parametric buildings. And you'll be replicating the interactive design process professionals and students commonly use, so that you will get a better idea and start using the same workflow in your projects. This course is 3 hours long, and it is structured in 3 parts. First of all, it covers quick massing creation techniques, transitioning into the development of architectural concepts that convey large scale and proportions. And of course, since this course is all about procedural parametric modeling, it will be covering advanced methods, utilizing geometry nodes, and the famous tissue add-on, promising near automation massings and concept generation. And the content of this course doesn't end there, because presenting your work is as important as generating it. That's why the instructor believes that it is essential to provide knowledge that teaches how to present concepts efficiently. This includes creating hidden line type renderings, utilizing isometric cameras, and arranging models to showcase design process to stakeholders like clients, managers, and professors. The next course we're gonna cover is not just a course, but an actual asset bundle as well. Leviathan Bust is a package that sets you on the right path if you are passionate about making complex and realistic 3D creatures right within Blender. This package includes 16 hours of real-time footage going through the entire process of making this creature. It also includes a couple of videos giving you commentary to explain his workflow better and why he does what he does. And I think this provides you with proper tools, methods, and steps that you will need to be taken to optimize time and the efforts to achieve the best results possible. In addition, this pack isn't just limited to content. but it actually provides you with all the resources you will ever need to make such a creature. I'm talking about stuff like 3D models, alpha maps, exercises to follow, and so much more. Last but not least, we have this course, which is all about using geometry nodes to create all sorts of stylized assets to assemble a nice and pleasant little scene. Stylized environments within Blender 4 geometry nodes is, I think, a pretty self-explanatory course. So it provides you with all the knowledge you will require to make stylized procedural assets using the power of geometry nodes, which completely changes the way that you look at modeling in Blender, as you won't have to manually adjust every little vertex and do a lot of repetitive work. So if you establish a good foundation following this workflow, you will get a lot done just by using nodes. And what's even better is that you can recycle the node groups that you made and use them in different projects simply by appending them. And this course provides an exclusive resource pack made specifically for the participants. This pack equips you with essential tools and references from human models to specialized geometry nodes and advanced material shader setups. So throughout the course, you will engage in hands-on projects, learning how to create various environments from lush meadows to rustic structures. So guys, if you are interested in one of these courses, you will find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.